honey, and I eat the smoke you blow. Every time you vanish, you come back acting normal.